Welcome to St. Thomas.
And here we are, welcome to St. Thomas. Well, we're here first day out from leaving St. Thomas, just going past Puerto Rico, and pulled out head sail, 7 knots, all very pleasant. Well, we've got day 2 and we're still rolling along. Pretty much the same rig, pretty much the same boat speed, about 7, 8, 9 knots occasionally, 15 to 18 knots of breeze. Well, it's day 3. And just had some 30 knot squalls come through, which you can see just over there remaining. But in the meantime, we've still got the same rig up, poled out head sail, and the sun is shining nicely. So I think we're on day 4. And the only thing that's changed is we've jibed just past Great Inagua Island, and we're heading towards the Cuba coastline and the Old Bahama Channel. Well, it's day 5 and the wind has dropped a little bit. I don't know how long we're going to keep it for. Got the staysail out as well just to catch every little extra bit of wind. But over there is Cuba, and ahead of us is the Old Bahama Channel. So we're still making good progress, about 6 knots, and it's a beautiful sunny day. So the wind is back slightly, and we're still on day 4, just wrapping up the end of the day, sailing towards the sun. Head sail back on the conventional side. Calm seas just coming up the Old Bahama Channel. So it's day 6, and we've pretty much lost the wind. There's about 5 knots of breeze, so we're motor sailing, just hanging on to the last bit of breeze with the sail up, but that will probably be coming in pretty soon as we venture into the night and hopefully find the Gulf Stream tomorrow. Well, this is the start of day 6. Always like to be on the sunrise watch, and we're here waiting for the sunrise. Absolutely minimal wind today. So we are a motorboat, no sails at all. Lovely blue coloured water, and over in the distance is Miami. Well, not a very dramatic sunrise, but there it is, start of our 6th day. So that's us arrived at 17th Street Bridge, and here we are, Fort Lauderdale, on a lovely sunny day.